robotic system consists of several key components, including sensors, actuators, and control systems. Sensors are used to detect and measure the physical world, while actuators are used to manipulate it. Control systems are used to interpret sensor data and provide commands to the actuators. AI algorithms are used to provide decision-making capabilities to the control system. The AI algorithms take in sensor data and provide commands to the control system to determine how the robotic system should act. There are many different types of robots, each with their own unique set of challenges. Some examples of robots include industrial robots. These robots are used in manufacturing and perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. Autonomous robots. These robots are used in environments that are dangerous or difficult for humans to operate in. For example, autonomous robots can be used in space exploration, where humans cannot survive without life support. Social robots. These robots are designed to interact with humans and provide assistance or companionship. For example, social robots can be used in healthcare settings to help patients with tasks or provide companionship. One of the key challenges in the field of robotics and AI is the need for reliable and accurate performance. This requires the development of sophisticated algorithms and control systems, as well as the use of advanced sensing technologies and hardware.